Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I have some basic information about avocados, some suggested flavor combinations, and some foods that we commonly use it in, and hopefully this will help to give you some ideas on what to do, something a little different with avocados that you've got. First of all, we know that avocados are commonly used in burritos, in California cuisine, Central American cuisine, in Chile, some desserts, even chocolate mousse, that sounds good, in dips, in egg dishes, fajitas, ice cream, nachos, quesadillas, relishes, salads and salad dressings and salsas, on sandwiches, in smoothies, sorbets, soups, spreads. They can be stuffed and added to sushi, tacos, and veggie burgers. Now, for some suggested flavor combinations that are known to be used, try combining avocado with basil and lime. Now, that's an interesting flavor combination there that might be good for you. How about with basil, onions, and tomatoes? Try combining avocado with black beans and tomatoes. How about avocado with celery, chilies, cilantro, cumin, garlic, lime, and spinach? Okay, that's something different to try. How about avocado with chilies, cilantro, lime, and onions? Or avocado with chili powder, cilantro, jicama, onions, and orange juice? I love jicama. That might be really a good one. How about avocado with cilantro, cucumber, jalapeno pepper, lime, mint, and yogurt? That yogurt will cool off the heat from the jalapeno. How about avocado with cilantro, garlic, lime, red onions, and tomatoes? Or avocado with citrus and jicama? That sounds really good. A little lime juice on there would be excellent. How about avocado with cucumber, green onions, lime, and yogurt? Or avocado with cucumber, mint, and yogurt? Or avocado with fennel and citrus, particularly grapefruit juice or orange slices, something like that. Give these a try sometime and let me know if you have other suggestions out there. It's good to share with others. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.